How to transfer money from DasherDirect to a bank account. So if you want to transfer money from DasherDirect to a bank account, then first you just need to simply open up your DasherDirect application. Once you open the application, make sure to log into your account and make sure to update the application. Once you've logged in, now you need to go with the More option, which is on the bottom right. And after that, you need to click on the Move Money tab. And after that, click on the Send Money to Someone option, which is on the first. You'll need to select the person you want to send the money to on the next page. So enter the recipient and then the amount and the optional message. Enter your bank account details, and you need to enter the routing number, check number, and account number carefully. To identify your banking institution and bank account, ensure that both numbers are correctly entered. You'll then enter the amount you want to send and complete the process by entering your password, and the transaction process will be complete within 1 or 2 business days. But if you transfer the money on the weekend or a holiday, you should wait until the next business day for it to be transferred to your account. DasherDirect won't charge any fee to transfer money to a bank account. However, it has a transfer limit per day or even per month. Note that the transaction can't be cancelled once you've initiated it. Therefore, you need to provide your bank account details carefully, and you can only transfer the money to a bank account in the US. So that's how you can transfer money from DasherDirect to a bank account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.